to the trailer, Hillary is getting angry. And if competitors, if you haven't picked up your t-shirts, please pick them up. Help them through, guys, let's go! Pearson Fire Department against Brampton. Two separate fire departments, but both from Brampton, guys, both from my hometown. Richard is also from Brampton, works for Pearson International Airport.
Nice.
Helped put out the Air France fire when the plane crashed not too long ago. Richard's going down first in the yellow. Brad's not too far behind. Let's hear it. Brad's moving now from Brampton. Close to the geyser. Whole team runs on the stairs. Here we go. Their teammates behind them. His team's right there. Brad's moving through the cones. Richard's got the lead right now. Coming up to the hose advance, 200 pounds. Time to do it, guys. Let's go. Here's the International Airport against Brampton.
Let's go, Brad! Up and go! Brad, up and go! Let's go, Brad, go!
Richard from Pearson International helped put the fire out when the plane crashed, Air France and the fire department, ladies and gentlemen. Brad from Brampton, nicknamed the Turtle. He's moving quicker than the Turtle right now. Both with personal bests of 153. They're going to beat him, I think. Give it up for Richard. He just beat it by 10 seconds. Brad by 4.